Hi everyone, my name is Jen Flowers and I'm the Senior Deputy Editor at Afar Media. I am also Afar's resident hotel obsessive, and that is why I am so excited to be in the Aman, New York. Now, if you haven't heard about Aman Resorts, it's this incredible brand that started in the 1980s in Thailand, and it's since grown into this global collection of properties. It's so wonderful that it's attracted a whole crowd of cult followers called Aman junkies. A few things to know about this property. One, it's in the historic Crown Building. It is one of the most beautiful examples of Beaux-Arts architecture in America. 2, you're right near Central Park. 3, the whole idea behind this resort is to be a vertical retreat away from the city that makes you feel connected still to the kind of heart and culture of the place. The other thing to know about this hotel, the room rates start at $3,200 a night, which means it's the most expensive starting hotel rate in New York City. I'm gonna check out this resort and I want you to come along with me. The theme of this hotel is urban sanctuary, and you feel it immediately upon arrival. The interiors were designed by Jean-Michel Gaffey of Deniston, who also did the Aman in Venice. The design nods to the brand's origins in Southeast Asia, and everything you see is a showcase of natural materials including oak, walnut, blue and chocolate brown marble, and blackened steel. My favorite spot on the 14th floor, where the lobby and 2 restaurants are located, is the enormous terrace. Large seating areas are flanked by young pine trees and slatted wood coverings, which offer privacy and shade. Look up and you'll see the Crown Building soaring above you, and there are views of other iconic buildings nearby, like the world-famous Plaza Hotel. The 83 suites are on the 7th to 12th floors, and they're inspired by Japanese open-floor living, with pivoting partition walls that remind me of paper shoji screens. Suites start at 745 square feet, the size of most one-bedroom apartments in New York City. In each suite, there's a large-scale mural made with washi paper and ink, inspired by the 15th century masterpiece Pine Trees by Hasegawa Tohaku. The Aman New York is the first hotel to have working fireplaces in all the guest rooms, and you could spend all day in the enormous beds, and the soundproof glass diminishes the street sounds outside. They say the decibel level is 9, the equivalent of rustling leaves, and quiet enough for a recording studio. The bathrooms feel like a private wellness sanctuary. I love the freestanding oval bathtub and the marble rain shower. Plus, the floors are heated, and it was just paradise in there. Even the toilets are worth mentioning. They're Toto, a Japanese company that makes these incredibly tech-savvy toilets with everything from heated seats to lids that open automatically as you walk toward them. In the 25,000 square foot spa and wellness area, you'll find a state-of-the-art fitness center, 7 treatment rooms, and everything from a cryotherapy chamber to tools for advanced medical evaluations. There are even private spa houses for those who want extra privacy. I've spent a lot of time going between the sauna and the steam room, but my favorite spot is the 65-foot indoor swimming pool, which is flanked by fireplaces and daybeds. The gym has advanced infrared equipment that helps to maximize calorie burn, and there's plenty of space for yoga, Pilates classes, Tai Chi, and Qigong, which are all on offer here. There are 2 restaurants on the main lobby level, currently for guests only, but there are plans to open them to the public soon, with guests getting priority seating. They include Arva, an Italian restaurant that focuses on seasonal ingredients in a room surrounded by backlit bottles of the hotel's extensive wine collection. The food is fantastic. The burrata pugliese and the carciofi alla Judea were magical. One of the sommeliers, Slim, can help navigate the list of wines. I'm interested in Italian wines from small, sustainably run producers, and Slim has been able to point me in the right direction. And then there's Nama, where chef Takuma Yonemaru focuses on washoku cuisine, which is traditional Japanese food. They serve omakase, or chef's choice menus, at a Japanese hinoki wood counter. But I'm trying the a la carte menu, which is stellar. And knowing I love a good pairing with dinner, Slim is helping me navigate the sake menu too. As you can see, the Aman New York is indeed one of the most exciting new openings in the city, and I'm enjoying every minute of my stay. Don't forget to hit like.